We are back on air. Ejaba itagwo Murage wa kuria Kagio. Ajira goithia muno Murage wa Kagio.
Ndageithika Murage.
Na ni wa group ya Kirinyaga ya Ngogoyo.
Thank you Murage.
Good. Riu Moshimi wa Njogu Barua. DG wa kiama gia TSP.
Yes.
Wakiro guo ri ni undu uriku witiagira naguo wekiria andu agicugu.
Andu agicugu ndarutire wira muingi muno tondu nginya ngithie seeking my second term ni ndarutite ibuku ria mawira mandutite undu muingi ingiuga ni ati no ngwete maundu matatu mana namba njuge akwa nta mai ni ndekirie mai ma mbeca nyingi muno na is not from CDF lobbying the national government ugithiku nto gwitaga wa mutaka kanyamindi ni ndarutire mai kilomita 14 kuma mutitu ngingere micii ni andu Nyaru water project Juku Mutige water project Ngariama Juki water project na project ingita wa muri Juki yathukire forest since 1952 ni ndahote ku reconstruct na nginyo muthi alimanyo ma nginyo muthi aho agenda hote ku promote githomo na ku promote school infrastructure na kuheana bursary na wagiriru as much as possible. I know there be one complaint here there no gutikiagaga na how hangeni ati as I can speak now ndathigida mari technical college which is costing an estimated value of 100 million shillings and it's just about to be complete. Unfortunately ko handa mitigire ni nda mitindika ndio ja bunge na ngohobu ndacoka kuria kia batha ni ngurikia technical yo na ciana cia njikuoyo na twaje guthomia technical courses
niguo
na ningo coke kaundu madago igire o muthe yuga ati technical courses is very important toginya mundu athomeke is degrees ya history na geography ni tukwenda ama form 4 monde kundu mangithi guthoma course ya moko
na turakirwa atongoria turethuraga aria mena degree kuma MCA ginya president. I
think to me no nyene kwagirire
uthura andu acio
andu mena degree but let's not forget we have a constitution which we give to ourselves 2010 constitution yo ndenda kindu gitwa discrimination ria waiga mundu taina degree ndakarugame ni weka discrimination of one sector or the other. What I would like to encourage people before, let me encourage parliament first. When you get to encourage parliament ni irure watho ucio before the nomination process starts. New Kenyans makuro makimenya through the matter because people will go to court to quash it. No regera kwa advise wajiku wa kawaida ni ati narore mundu arathura akwa ni MCA for example in my own view somebody with a diploma to me ni qualified to kutuka MCA mundu na degree gwezi mundu ukuruga mabunge no akwa na minimum of a degree. Let me give an example. We bunge ni MPs matonya kamiti nyigita ya finance. Mundu taina githomo I contribute to finance bill. You can't. I remember 2015 dadire Paris, France. For COP21 on climate change. Na there with some MPs. And I can assure you without naming names, after 5 days of the conference, kwa majo what is climate change.
Aya
Ito kwa mbunge wina githomo ugota kwa rihoro economy kumenya what is inflation what is climate change what are all these things which affect this nation and this world. Otherwise if you are very localized politician or just administering CDF and small other things you can no feel gutuika mbunge wa kitaifa.
He tofauti ya mũtongoria muthomu na mũtongoria utari muthomu
ni hari tofauti ya mũtongoria muthomu to mũtongoria muthomu ena knowledge extra through githomo no kuno tuge kuri akatongoria athoma matahutha githomo kiao no mũtongoria muthomu urahutha githomo giake is much better
ena added advantage. Okay.
To himself and the community of the country.
Neguo good, thank you. He mundu wajira ni agukararia ni MCA Dr. Bae wa kuria Kabathi ajira kamone gukararia analysis ya kurajira te githurano kinene kia mwaka uyu ungi gigacindwa round ya mbere round 1.
Dr. Bae ni murata wako kuna Kabathi na njua hikanetia etagwo atia Ndia my family Joy na Bae is my good friend Na no njuge bae hiyo ni opinion yako. And I wish we can get that 50+1 round 1 to not to save pesa nyingi as a country. But having been there 2013 and 2017, nijue how difficult it was and how it is we are 50+1.
Round ya mbere.
Round ya mbere. Now that's a story for another day. No kungituika no tushinde first round, it is good for this nation.
Na wauga ati thirikari urona iri koragwo coalitions
Yeah. There be coalitions.
Gutire mundu kabira imwe region imwe igatha bururi uringi.
Gutire kabira imwe igatha bururi uringi tondu ariri. Ndirona any political party ikagia more than 100 seats. Tuge ODM na UDA. Tondu Jubilee agikuire mwenyonge. UDM
irakwira tutakithikite
ndikwite toni is the one running the government but it's in a coma. But the big parties ilikorwa ikindu gitagwa UDA na ODM for example, but I don't see them getting more than 100 seats. Na ndungi wataka Kenya na itigana rimwe cia region imwe kono ngioka copt other members to be part of your government. In fact, the best government ya Kenya is the government of national unity.
Haya, good. Thank you muno na wacokiega. Irungu wako gya njira ngurie ukuga atia uhoro wigi ndũgamano iria iho ya magoti na president na uge president Uhuru percentage iriku ya uthii wa na mbere bururi-ini na makiria Mount Kenya. Wira ni murute kana ti murute?
No njuge njambie uhoro igoti. Njuge Orwa igoti the problem with appointment of judges. Na no jury President Kenyatta to follow the constitution and appoint the judges. As is required of him. One are utawira kwa appoint judges.
Ginyado mena machira marekoerwo maundu matari mena.
You see JSC ikoro ina representative of president. Eta wa attorney general and about other 3 appointees of the president. That means JSC ikihitukia majaji asoma promote to Court of Appeal, AG was there. Na ndosiro hororiko orosio. Dangiuka after the fact augia adwemera kashfa. No tugire atiriri this AG deliberately misadvised the president.
Yeah.
The other thing is we are nemurute kate murute. We our infrastructure ni murute. Is only a fool doesn't see. Barabara ni jake. Akone gitoma Kenya wira mashani na kahwane Kenya tani agereti pesa Kenya agereti. But the problem is in life it's only small things that matter. Tadongira modo wa kuma kure mo Venesi ati kuma Jomo Kenyatta International Airport ginya Westlands nitwakite barabara ya ngoroba, which is good in itself. Na mudura he's not having 3 square meals. Dauna ginya best ya kunywa duvia. So unless president a mix national development, infrastructure development with social growth, they are going to disconnect. No ginya address the emerging needs of Wanjiko. Ni wako na ke. Finally, I would like to say that kuma 1963
twage weathi.
Twage weathi. Twage tutapambana nini?
Na umaskini. Njaa,
ujinga,
ngaragu hatiari. Na magonjwa.
Na ugonjwa. Those 3 things.
Hatiari ngaragu.
60 years down the line, we are saying the same. Niki kiratuma the 4 successive governments, they have not been able to address this position.
Umaskini,
healthy,
afya,
na illiteracy. Na illiteracy na elimu. Niki kiratuma kuma 63, 60 years tuturago hau. Niko fango turafango. Na turafango for the next 60 years. So at the same you are creating 60 years. Tuatha katuko fango for 60 years. And in fact, BBI irare gutfanga for 60 years. So that the same ruling class can retain power. No ajigwe kali atia. Aikalete ogo. Na utinga kutoga electoral justice and so forth. By the way, come out, let me tell you this. They are to hingete. They know Kenya on a BBI. They know Kenya ne only electoral justice. Then second one is good governance. More if you can have electoral justice gutuke the best person wins any election kuma mzingia president andu matingirwa no no githurano Kenya kiyagwa day in day out and people must ventilate. So can we fix that one first?
Ndenda turekie mheshimiwa wa Njogu wa Barua.
Yes.
Na tukirekagia ukiugaga uhoro ri kiama giki kianyu kia TSP the Service Party.
Yes.
Kitikitie ki murugamo wake onire kwa ideology yake onire ko kana tatwire tondu ni ndi uhoro wa
okay kiama giki tu ya TSP no jari uhoro wake for another 2 hours and I think you have only 2 minutes or 3 minutes. No juu kiama giki gitu gitikitie na empowerment of the common mwananchi, especially through agriculture and agriculture value addition. Nigetiketi na good governance. Na nigetiketi na proper representation ya Wanjiko. The other thing is the party believes in collaboration and partnership with like-minded parties.
Uo ni kuwata na iko.
Ni kumini ati nigetiketi na kunyitana ciama ile ingi irorete njirano
cia mwiciririo cio.
So when yakinya kure 2022 hindi ya githurano hii ni tukamenya ni tu ya turenda no gaki ni gupatina ciama ingi we are ready and willing to patina ciama cia mwiciririo riku mwiciririo cio.
Asante Grace kuma Ngariema ni akugeithia anjira ena waigana koigana.
Asante sana Grace.
Na ke ciro wa ciana ranjira kiarirwe
niki ari ciro wa ciana na ni murata wakwa kuma Kianyaga na ngubutitari ni ugi support ciro wa ciana. Thank you very much.
Asante ngethii nawe kamwe cibia kana heno ndungi kwenda utiga wa mera
ni kwenda kumera kugeithia andu a Gishogo constituency in particular.
Yes.
Na ndimere 2022 is coming. Na ndimere kuma ria ndoigire nomination kura ciakwa ni cia kuigana ndinda interfere no tongoria wira Gishogo kana Kirinyaga to ni njitikitie na kuhe atongoria gitio na mweke masafu no twakinya 20 no ndarora ni ndrona wira ndarutire no ndambiriirie ndurwarikio ndurwahutio kwa 2022 yoka ni nguka ndimahoe mandate ya gutongoria Gishogo for another 5 years niguo wira ndarutire wenda biti ndiurikie na in the process ango go handu hakihitanite hanini tukuruga turi ithuothe
niguo thank you na no guka ringi na ringi
thank you
tucire maundu maingi mote tine ndona andu magikwenda muno.
Thank you Kamau, ndakena muno.
Good. Ucio ni mheshimiwa Njogu wa Barua ari mubunge kuria Gishogo county ya Kirinyaga. Muthuri umwe aranjirire atiriri handu tukiarangia anjirire ati nyumba nene ndiri muriri uguo ndigaga kuri uhoro wa mugayukano wa Gikuyu. Aranjirire nyumba nene ndiri muriri. Njoroge wa Githinji mari na Dr. Dan Gikonyo makiaririria uhoro wigie kugitira ngoro citu uhoro wigie woko ihariirio ya kugitira ngoro citu no mekorwo menake ithaini riri ria muthia ria tabarira ya Inoro Rucini. Nie njitagwo Kamau wa Kang'ethe na kindu thuire ti mundu ni mehemehe.